Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot cake. Carrot cake is one of the easiest cakes you can make. For carrot cake you will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 150 grams of light muscovado sugar, 50 grams of chopped walnuts, 100 grams of grated carrot, 2 ripe bananas, 3 eggs, and 150 mils of sunflower oil. You need your adult to put your oven to 180 or 350, gas mark 4. Okay, so for this cake, every time you weigh something, you can just put it straight in the bowl. That's how easy it is. So I've got my self-raising flour and my baking powder. Now I'm going to measure out my muscovado sugar. Let's turn this so I can see it. What am I doing? 150. Muscovado sugar, yes. Yep. Straight into the bowl. Then my chopped walnuts. Straight into the bowl. My grated carrot, which I grated earlier, because otherwise it takes a very long time. Straight into the bowl. Bowl. I've got my oil ready in the bowl. I'm going to crack my eggs. Then all we have to do is give it a good stir and a mix until all the dry ingredients is combined into the wet ingredients. And all your ingredients are blended together. Perfect. Now, for carrot cake, there's 3 different tins you can try. Well, there's lots of different tins you can use. You can make it in sandwich tins. You can make it in a big round or square tin and just put frosting on the top. If you make it in this tin, you can put frosting in the middle and the top. Or today, I'm going to make it in a tray bake tin. So I've greased and lined my tray bake tin ready to put my mixture in. How quick and easy was that? Even your cake mix out, make sure it goes into all the corners. This happens in whether, it doesn't matter what size tin it is, you have to make sure the whole base of it's covered and it's even. Give it a bang on the bottom to get rid of any air bubbles and go and put it in the oven. Depending on what size tin and shape tin you are going to use, this is the cooking times. They all cook on gas mark 4 though. To top or fill your carrot cake, you can either make your topping or you can buy a pre-made topping. If you're going to make a topping, you'll need 175 grams of full fat soft cheese like Philadelphia, 50 grams of soft margarine, 100 grams of icing sugar that's been sifted, and a few drops of vanilla essence. And all you need to do is measure all the ingredients into a bowl and mix really well until it's all smooth. Take your cake from the oven, leave it in the pan to cool for a tiny little while, and then turn it out onto a cooling rack. Remove the paper and let the cake go cold. When your cake is cold, you can put it on your baking paper. I've cut my cake in half because I'm going to put the other half in the freezer for later on. My family like it when I cover my cake in ready-made icing. So this is what I'm using. It's Betty Crocker Velvety Vanilla Flavoured Icing, and you can get this in most supermarkets. All you need to do is take your icing, give it a stir around, and then you're going to put it on top and cover it. Smooth it over with your knife until the whole of the top is covered, and then we'll cut it. There we go, all covered. In some supermarkets, they do little cake decorations in the shape of carrots, and you can always buy those and put them on and make your cake look very, very pretty. That was handy, that's finished off my tub. Okay, once you've put your topping on your cake, you can cut it into the slices that you want, and then you can enjoy eating it. There we go. There we go. I hope you enjoy making your carrot cake, and I hope you enjoy eating your carrot cake. Here is a recipe of how to make your carrot cake.